Hello, my 12-volt battery arrived today. As you can see, it's compact. It's designed for, I think, motorcycles, scooters, and small type vehicles. And this battery provides 7 amp hour of electrical current. I don't know if you can see the details. So now I am trying to see the best way I can mount this on this mobile manipulator. It fits exactly in this location, but then there's a level that's higher than the wood. So if I do use this location, I will have to put some additional material to lift up the battery. I will also have to find some way to provide some type of padding around the battery or attached to the frame so the battery would not get damaged by rubbing against the frame. I also would like to place the battery here and try it out. It fits, but it needs to have another platform, otherwise the battery would actually fall through if it went either too much that way or this way. So I think this is the location I would like to put it. I think this is the best location because it's low and its center of gravity maintains a better balance for the vehicle to be able to travel over, say, a power cable that's on the ground. So, or I may even, once I put the platform, I may even decide that I would like to put the battery oriented in this direction. So I definitely will not put it on the top. It just creates an off-balance situation. So that's the plans that I'm considering in installing or mounting the battery onto the mobile manipulator. My next step is also, if I don't get directly to mount the battery, I will also be looking into connecting the DC motors to the Arduino motor shield, and I can actually test the batteries with a power supply that I can use instead of this battery at the moment. So these are my thoughts and plans as I move forward in the development of the mobile manipulator. Thank you for watching.